Safeguarding oil facilities with lightning protection.
In the world of oil storage, where precision and safety are paramount, the threat of lightning is a constant concern. Not only can lightning strikes lead to significant financial losses, but they also pose serious operational risks. But what if you could safeguard your oil storage facility not by merely attracting lightning to a grounding rod near critical equipment, but by preventing lightning strikes within protected zones? Welcome to the innovative approach of lightning eliminators, where no streamers equals no strikes.
Lightning strikes occur when leaders from the clouds connect with streamers from ground-based objects. LEC products prevent streamers from forming, thereby preventing strikes. Unlike traditional methods that attract lightning to a controlled point of impact, Lightning Eliminators specializes in a patented DAS array technology for creating lightning-proof zones for mission-critical areas of your facility. Total lightning protection is achieved through a strategic combination of lightning protection zones, state-of-the-art grounding techniques, and robust surge protection. This comprehensive approach ensures that lightning is eliminated from striking within your protected zones, significantly reducing the risk of damage to your valuable infrastructure and operational disruptions.
For decades, Lightning Eliminators has been the trusted name for protecting oil storage facilities worldwide with our patented products. Our mission is to completely neutralize the threat of lightning, providing our clients peace of mind and a safer working environment. With Lightning Eliminators, you're not just protecting your oil storage facility, you're securing your future, because when it comes to lightning, prevention is the best protection. Contact your LEC representative today for a free risk assessment to learn more about the no streamers equals no strikes approach.